Hi guys, back again. Been busy doing other stuff, so we ain't done many videos, but we're doing one just quickly on these brake disc covers because they rot, as you can see with that one. We've done some upgrades on this a few days ago. We didn't film. Put new shock absorbers on. If you hear a scraping noise on the front, it's either going to be that fell off and catching your disc or your brake shoes are gone. What you're going to need for this application is 18mm socket, a long bar, because they're quite tight, the nuts. A screwdriver to just pop your caliper back a little bit, on a small screwdriver for your new bolts. It's just basic stuff. We're going to do these. This one here. You can see them that go on it. Just turn it a few times. Same with the bottom one, which is here. Just going to get it's a block of wood to rest your caliper on. We'll just get a tie strap and just tie it up and hook it on there, because you don't want that dangling. Pull that clip off there, it's on there, pull that forward. Somebody's using a little whiz gun, but you can just unbolt them with a ratchet if you want. It just takes a bit longer. Just going to whiz. What's out there? So that's that nut there. Just hold your brake. 2 nuts. Put your block of wood in here. Pull your caliper off, just drop it on the block of wood. It'll stop there, just keeps it just on that stretching. You'll have a little nut in your disc, which is that one. That goes in there, that takes your disc off. Just pull your disc off. If they're a bit tight, just get a little tap. That's your disc, and that's where this fits. It's going to fit on there. The right one. It's going to fit there like so. These are handed, so when you buy them, they come as a pair normally. If you just buy one, it's handed for that side. So make sure you get the right side. Just change your one. We're changing both, but we're just going to show you how to do one. So there's 3 bolts, one bolt hole there, one bolt hole there, one bolt hole there. Sometimes you'll need just a little cutter to get the bolts out with a flat screwdriver, because they do rot. With this one's all been prepared, ready for the new bolts, which we'll show you in a bit. Put your new cover on, goes down like that, out round the bearing. And you've got 1 bolt there. These are the new bolts. There's a 10mm little bolt, 10mm thread, and about 6mm long. They'll go back in, just line the holes up. So you've got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. That's it all bolted on. Just double check they're tight and get your disc, line it up with a hole. Have a little hole on it where your bolt goes in. That goes on there. Like so. Put a little bolt in. That goes in there. Like so. You get your caliper back on. These bolts here come with a little bit of Loctite. Put a bit of Loctite on the thread, so when that thread's in, it locks it on. Line it up, we'll show you a bit of light. You put your bottom one on first, that'll line you up. You get your second one, bit of Loctite. So you put your bottom one in, to line it up. And your top one. Move your wood out of the way, you don't need that there. Check they're tight. There you go. So that's how you change your disc from a rotten one. You can see it's all on there. Caliper's on. So it's something you can do at home as a DIY job. It's just you take your caliper off, pull it off, put it on a block, 3 bolts on that, and you're done. We talked about the shock. Quite simple. Remember to put your cable back in once you've done it. Just pushes in. Check all your bolts are tight. Put your wheel back on. You're all done. Right guys, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.